In our Master of Artificial Intelligence, we will start with the basic knowledge you already have and then zoom into the more state-of-the-art technologies like transformers or reinforcement learning and so on. In a second step, then we will find out how you apply these things in an industrial context, like how will this work on autonomous shipping, in chemistry, or in like big industrial installations. And finally, which is very important, is in this age, multiple AI applications come together and start interacting. And we will focus on how do we bring these things together and how do we make sure that together they get the right behavior in the total application that we are building. And this we will approach by doing this in different groups of students. The cool thing about AI is that the potential is actually unlimited, but that is of course not an answer to the question. What we see with our students is that they, in most of the cases, end up in the transformation that both governments and industry are doing in evolving to more AI-driven processes. And then we see that either our students become the core experts in a team, or they get in charge of leading these transformations. And that is also possible in industry, in academia, and at governmental level. Why should you come to Antwerp? The answer is very simple. Here in Antwerp, we have the second biggest port of Europe. And next to that, there is the biggest chemical cluster in Europe. And when we are talking about AI and application domains, those are the places where you have to be. There are a lot of processes. There is a lot of potential in, like, for example, autonomous shipping, optimizing transport, or controlling chemical installations or other industrial installations. So if you want to become a top engineer in AI and you want to work with this diploma in industry, Antwerp is the place to be.